So it is here. My truth, honesty, and integrity shirt is right here. It is in my hands, and I will do an unpacking with you. I can't believe it is here. As you all know, I keep talking about in my videos about truth, honesty, integrity. That is how I live by. These are my core principles, and this is what I teach on my channel. And I have a variety of designs of my shirts on my Etsy store. So this is one of the designs, and this in fact was ordered last week by a psychologist in Colorado. So I'm very, very excited that my shirts are actually making a difference in people's lives. And now I want to share this excitement with you. So I want to open this right with you so you can double check together how this is looking like. This is one of the designs, which, as you know, my design and style is elegant, minimalist, royal style, and this is one of it.
Welcome to my practical brain lab experiments on a calm, stable life.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is just unbelievable. My goodness. This is soft style cotton. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Truth, honesty, and I can't wait to wear this. This is just so beautiful. Look at this. Can you see it? So nice. Truth, honesty, and integrity. Honesty, truth, integrity. So great. Look at this. It's really nice soft cotton. I love this. I don't like the heavy cotton. I do my designs because my designs are very elegant. So I do these on soft cotton so that the print comes out better because it's an elegant design. And look. It is so, this is so soft. I can't wait to wear this. So nice and soft. And honesty, truth, integrity. Look at the style and the design. I love this. I love this. I can't wait to wear this. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this? I love this. Honesty, truth, integrity. Whoa. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I mean, I can't. Honesty, truth, integrity. This is one of these. I said I have 3 designs. Actually 4, I think. This is the calligraphy style. Then I have it in serif style. Then I have that same in the back side only. And then I have golden on black design in serif as well as I have this in gold and in black shirt, gold writing. So beautiful. So let me know in the comments, how do you like this? I love this. I love this so much. I love this. Let me know, guys. I am so happy to share this with you. Let's hope that many more people live by these principles of honesty, truth, and integrity. And in fact, let me tell you a story right now, because this is not just in theory or just like a wishful thinking, right? Because literally what happened was, when the person ordered it last week, Etsy and the production company made a mistake and double charged me and duplicated that order. So basically when I received the order, I immediately that night, the same night, placed an order manually. But next morning, Etsy and that production company didn't catch that I already placed an order manually. So they automatically placed an order again and charged me again. And so for 1 week, I have been going crazy up and down and inside out and try to maneuver all of this. And so I had to do everything myself because I couldn't get anyone in the production company to immediately stop it or block it or reimburse me or whatnot. So that's why I was able to do everything myself, and then redirected and had 2 separate tracking numbers. And so I already immediately sent that tracking number to the customer. And then I guess the customer maybe missed that or didn't see that message that I sent a week before or immediately the next morning. So yesterday, where it's supposed to arrive here and at the customer, and the customer emailed me and asked, like, here I didn't see it because when he would click on that tracking number, it would see different state. So and I said, here, listen, this is what happened. So your t-shirt, even I can see it on the tracking. When I look at your tracking, it already arrived on Sunday, but because your business was closed, they will do another attempt on Monday. Basically, yours is in your state, is actually has arrived, but your business closed on Sunday, so they will try it again on Monday. As we are doing these emailing, I was sending the screenshots and whatever happened, and I explained that they did an double order, and then everything was doubled, so there was a split between your state and my state, but yours is the correct, it goes to yours and mine goes to mine. And then I explained everything, and then everything was literally as I said, happened as I said. So yesterday, his and mine arrived identical same time, okay, in his state and my state. So it was so funny because literally my shirt and that he ordered is honesty, truth, and integrity. And even though Etsy automatically, the Etsy AI pushed it, oh, reimburse, there's a problem, reimburse the person. I said, no, let me explain that situation, because that was a weird mess, but I was able to correct it myself without anyone, couldn't even get hold of anybody, but I was correctly converting their mistake and make it still right to the customer. So why would I reimburse? Because I did everything right and everything was on plan. I literally explained honesty and in truth and integrity, this whole scenario, the situation, and the person understood and everything was done and correct, and that's it. And I today literally I told this to someone and said, this is so interesting because I literally, the t-shirt is about honesty, truth, and integrity, and I handled the situation in honesty, truth, and integrity, and everything was fine. This was just an unbelievable experience to even feel that. You know, of course, my entire life I live by these principles, but to even have created this shirt and sold it for the first time since I have created this a few months ago, I sold it to a person who also believed in these principles, and that the whole scenario was identical to the statement. I really do hope, though, that that person was affected by this the same way. And I feel like, oh my God, like she handled the situation with honesty, truth, and integrity. And the shirt is about honesty, truth, and integrity. So my entire life I experienced this already, the results and of me being always honest and live by truth and integrity. But also here with the shirt and the entire scenario around it was just, unbelievable. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, guys. So this is really showing that you are on the right track, and whenever you do live by these principles, life turns really in a different way. I can only recommend, and if everybody would, I even wrote this to the customer, if everybody would live by these principles of the shirt, the world would be such a better place. And I wholeheartedly believe that, and I truly hope that he believes in that too, and everyone who are on my channel believes in that as well. So yeah, check it out. It's on my Etsy store, myinnerroyalty.etsy.com, and I look forward to see you there and in my next video. Bye bye.
You're okay.